transforming raw nursery material into a literati masterpiece begins with seeing beyond the chaos of overgrown branches and dense foliage. This bougainvillea arrived with a twisting, serpentine trunk that already hints at the elegant, windswept character we are aiming for, the hallmark of the Bunjin or literati style. The first step is heavy pruning. Before any wiring can begin, we need to clear away the excess growth that's obscuring the trunk's natural movement. Removing the overgrown branches and spent flowers reveals the true skeleton of the tree, that sinuous, almost calligraphic line that Literati Bonsai is celebrated for. This raw material is loaded onto a cart, both for ease of movement and to give us the flexibility to view the tree from multiple angles as we work. With the canopy reduced, the trunk's character becomes the star of the composition. Notice how it spirals upward in a series of soft curves, almost like brushstrokes on a scroll painting. This is exactly the kind of trunk line Literati Bonsai seeks to emphasize. The base, with its exposed, sculptural root mass, anchors the design and gives a sense of age and endurance, even though the silhouette above remains light and airy. Next comes the careful work of wiring. Using flexible aluminum wire, each remaining branch is gently guided into position. In literati style, branches are kept sparse and high on the trunk, leaving long stretches of bare, expressive trunk visible. The wire allows us to direct growth outward and slightly cascading, creating that sense of a tree shaped by wind and time. Solitary, refined, and a little melancholic in feeling, which is central to the Bunjin aesthetic. As the wiring progresses, attention shifts to the apex and the upper branches. These are arranged to create an asymmetrical canopy, never symmetrical or heavy, but light, scattered, almost like clouds drifting at the top of the trunk. Each branch is positioned with intention, considering negative space as much as the placement of foliage itself. This negative space is just as important as the branches. It's what gives Literati Bonsai its sense of openness and poetry. Throughout the process, the artist works methodically from branch to branch, stepping back frequently to assess the overall silhouette. Small adjustments are made, bending a twig slightly here, opening up a gap there, always keeping the eye moving along that elegant trunk line. The flowering clusters, when present, are thinned and repositioned so they accent the design rather than overwhelm it, allowing the trunk's movement to remain the focal point. Final touches involve refining the smaller branches near the crown, ensuring the canopy feels balanced yet asymmetrical, light yet purposeful. The result is a tree that tells a story, one of resilience, solitude, and quiet beauty, shaped not by force but by careful, considered guidance.